Anand, what after the MPs visit the Gandhi Smriti? Are they going to go back into a huddle? Are we seeing, perhaps the zenith of the opposition united at this point in time against a common cause? How is the opposition planning to leverage this opportunity?
Yeah, Vineet, right now I'm joined by one of the senior Congress leader and Raj Sabha MP Dr. Syed Nasir Hussain ji. Nasir sir, right now we have seen that the Congress leaders, especially leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, and all the top leaders from India bloc, they paid their tributes at Gandhi Smriti. So what's the next stage of your plan of the party?
Especially at times when the students agitating at Janata Mantar were dealt with very brutally. They were dealt with very harshly. Violence was used against them. So I think there's no much better place where we could have got and paid our tributes, so that at least some sense prevails in the minds of the ruling dispensation. They are not ready to discuss anything. They are not ready to make somebody accountable for whatever has happened in the paper leak and also in the lathi charge and water cannons used against the students. So I think
प्रियंका जी ये बताइए अभी जो ये मार्च है यहाँ से क्या
should go.
But the government is alleging that the opposition is doing politics over the issue of NEET paper leak, and they are every time changing their goalpost.
The country is there to raise the issues which concern the people of our country. Here, crores and crores of students who take NEET examination, who take other examination, their future is in jeopardy. Their future is uncertain because of continuous paper leaks and because of the cancellation of exams several times in the last 10 years. 48 times competitive examinations have been cancelled. 89 times paper leaks has taken place. So who is responsible? Someone has to take the responsibility. So it is the opposition which has to raise the issue, because the government will not raise the issue because it affects them. So we have raised the issue in the parliament, we are raising the issue outside the parliament.
So my last question to you, one of the BJP stalwart leader Murli Manohar Joshi has supported the students' protest. He has came out in support of...
Any sensible person who thinks that the education system should be overhauled, who thinks that the examination system has to be overhauled and corrected, who thinks that there is genuinity in the protest by the students at Jantar Mantar and all the other country, will stand with the students, not only here but throughout the country.
Thank you very much.